Opening your locker can be scary during the first couple days of school, but don't worry, we're here to help walk you through it. Here's step-by-step instructions on how to unlock your locker. To begin, spin the dial at least 3 times to the right. This will clear out all the code so you can start fresh. Feel free to do this anytime you make a mistake and need a do-over. After 3 spins, stop at the first number. Ensure that the indicator arrow is perfectly lined up with the number. My locker combination is 21, 27, 49. On your next spin, turn the dial to the left, skipping 0 and your first number. Stop at your second number. For the third number, turn the dial right again and spin the dial to your last number. With the arrow still lined up with your last digit, you should now be able to open the lock. Once the lock is open, you can lift and pull the handle to open the locker door. And that's it, you're in. Once you're done using your locker, shut your locker door and twist the dial. If you leave it on the final number, it may open up again effortlessly for someone other than you.